What's going on, guys? How's it going? I bought one of those induction heating boards, and I always wanted an induction heater. I was going to build one, but then I found them online and they're fairly inexpensive now. I decided to grab the board with the coil. You can save probably half if you don't get the coil. So you can build your own, but by the time you buy all the parts, you're probably going to spend more. So I also 3D printed a box for the board to sit in, and then the fan goes on top. All right, so let's try this thing out. Guys, I just have the old Mott welder I built years ago, the microwave oven transformer welder. So this was an old project that was made years ago, and I've just modified it to use with the induction heater. So it's a perfect power supply for the induction heater because it puts out about 40 volts, and we have lots of current, not a problem. And what I've done is I've just connected up a rectifier to it. So you can order these rectifiers online bulk. And I've just connected one up to the output of the transformer, so your AC in, and then you have your DC out. The DC out goes to an XT60 plug. So this is a plug that's used with RC cars and drones, and that can just plug right into the induction heater there. And then I've also taken an old CPU fan and I've connected it to the rectifier. And I just have a few little batteries over here that I can just connect them up with alligator clips. And that turns on the fan. So on the induction heater here, I just added a switch. It's really basic. And we have the XT60 connector, so we can connect that up to the power supply. We're hooked up. Hear it humming. I have a graphite crucible here. I'm going to throw some little chunks of aluminum